Hey everyone, it's Aimee, your e-commerce growth expert. In this video, I'll guide you on how to effortlessly create and post a blog on Shopify. Blog posts for merchants are like storefront windows for online businesses. They're a tool to engage, educate, and entice your audience. Merchants dive into blogs for various reasons, like to share industry insights, showcase new products, or even tell captivating stories. These posts draw in visitors, keep them engaged, and ultimately can turn curious onlookers into loyal customers. Consider a couple of blog types to amplify your impact. For example, gift guide blog posts are your go to for helping customers find the perfect gift while making sure your products are the top choices for gifts. You also have the how to blog posts to share knowledge and attract visitors to your store by teaching them something new. Now, let me walk you through on how to create your very first blog post. So, now that we're in the Shopify admin, head over to Online Store. You'll spot blog posts from the drop-down, so give that a click. Here, navigate to and click on the Create Blog Post button to dive into your very first Shopify blog. First things first, set up your title and content. Your title should be a teaser giving a sneak peek into your blog, while the content is your chance to captivate both potential and loyal customers. Now, under Excerpt, you can add a summary of your post, but if you skip this, no worries, part of your content will take the spotlight just without the fancy images, formatting, or links. In the search engine listing preview, tweak your website's SEO to ensure your blog shines in the digital crowd. Now, for visibility, choose to hide or publish your blog posts. Adding a feature image is optional, but if it spices up your blog, toss in some high-quality visuals right here. Organization is where you add the author and sort your blog into different blog posts. Think of these as blog categories or collections. There's a default one called News, but you can create a new one here as well. And make sure you don't forget to add your tags. Lastly, Theme Template lets you pick the best template for your blog post. And hey, there's a shortcut to your theme store if you want to customize your blog's look. Once you're all set, hit save. Now once it's saved, take a moment to admire your post by hitting the View Blog Post and revel in how awesome it looks. And that's it. These blog posts will act as magnets, drawing in potential customers, sharing your brand story, and establishing your expertise. They're the secret sauce that keeps your audience engaged, informed, and coming back for more. Share your new blog posts with us. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to our next video. Thanks for watching.